have a really quick Dollar Tree haul. I was picking up some items for our trip that we're about to go on to Las Vegas for Go Wild, and I wanted to share these items. It will be on my phone, so it may look a little different or sound a little different, just FYI. Okay, so to get started, I am going to have to start not going with Josiah, which is going to probably be impossible, or really putting my foot down. He just thinks he can just throw stuff in the buggy, and he can't do that. So this was one of the items which he did need some more Band-Aids. He picked up these Million Band-Aids. I also picked up some of these little LED flower lights. I didn't pick any of these up, and I just thought these would be cute for my little craft room. I didn't have many because they've been, of course, been out. I picked up some Winter Fresh to put in my bag, my carry-on bag on my luggage to carry around with me. And also if my ears pop on the plane. And then I got some watermelon. Then I also needed a command hook. And I needed this for, I have this little sign that I have to show. Let's see. This is not Dollar Tree. I didn't haul it because I didn't get a lot of things from Michael's this day. This was like 60% off. And so it was just a couple of dollars. It was $8. And I thought this would be really cute to put on our door. Sometimes when people come to our house, they're not sure where the toilet is. But I just thought it was cute, rustic, something different. So that's why I got that little command hook. I actually wanted a silver one, but I said the white one will probably be better. So, yeah, and I've used those before. Josiah threw some Colgate toothpaste in. I needed some anyway. He needed some anyway. And then I kind of went wipes crazy. And so I picked up some of these feminine cleansing cloths from Dollar Tree. I didn't know to get this kind or the other kind, or either some from Walmart. So I hope they're not too dry. I'm going to open them up and see. If not, I need to pick some up from Walmart. I did pick up some before, but they did sit in the bathroom for a while and they did dry out. But I think it was a different container. It didn't have like this flap. So it's really hot in Vegas, so that's why I picked those up and to freshen up. And then I also picked up 2 of these Lysol disinfecting wipes to wipe things off, like in the hotel room. I do have a black one of these that I mentioned in another haul, but I cannot find them. So I want this to sit. I get those napkins. It was raining out. It was pouring down raining, so a lot of my stuff is wet. And so I want to sit this on the table because I get those napkins, you know, those foldable napkins from Dollar Tree. And a lot of times we always have to get up, go around the counter into the kitchen to get some paper towels for everybody. So I just want to leave it on the table. And I can't find my black one. Josiah also picked this up. Just 2 grown. It has little suction cups on the back. He has the most toothbrushes. Then over here, guys, I have some Crunch and Munch. I'm going to put this in little Ziploc bags. I was not sure. I didn't want to get stuff that will crush in our bag, or even if I carry-on bag. But I don't think Crunch and Munch, because of that coating, it will not crunch up or break up so easily. So I don't know. I hope it won't. I also picked up some eye drops, the artificial tears. We may have had some, but I don't know what the expiration date was. Someone in the Go Wild group said that the elevations of Nevada and so forth, that your eyes can dry out. So that's why I picked these up, just in case, so we don't have to spend money and go to the store. I am working on Cottrell's room right now. I'm almost done. And as soon as we come back from Vegas, we will have to go pick him up. So I wanted his room to be straight. So when he brings all that stuff back from school, that he just has to put it up and make sure that room stay clean. Also, I picked up some makeup wipes. I really wanted a smaller, thinner pack, but this will do. That's all Dollar Tree had today. And then I was looking at Do It on a Dime travel hacks and stuff. And I have a 7-pill organizer like this. I think I may have gotten rid of it, But I want to keep this one just for travel, and I'm going to label it with my labeler. And this one will work out better because I can put like Benadryl or allergy medicine in here. I can put my blood pressure medicine in here, my iron pills in here, my multivitamin, pain reliever. They didn't have any Tums, so Tums or anything. I usually don't need that anymore since I had surgery, but just in case if I do. Whatever else I'm missing, I'm sure I'm missing something else. Some cups. Josiah wanted this little Lego water bottle, and I should have made sure that it wasn't another one that had a top on it. You know, the little top that's on the top of the tip. But I forgot to walk back over there and check. Then also, you guys, I'm sure you know this hack where you put your lotions and stuff in these little travel dressing containers. And I was hoping and crossing my fingers they had some, and they did. They were low, and this is the only color they had, but at least they had them. So I think, sorry, Jason was texting me. I think I got a total of 6, so I don't know where the other 2 are right now. I also picked up some panty liners. I think I had some, but I wanted to make sure. I have the most travel jars because I ordered some from Amazon, and then I picked up 2 from Target. They were 75 cents. So this is a better deal, but I don't know the quality of them once you open them up. But of course I have a family, so I can't never have enough. And then Josiah picked up some kids sunglasses. He wanted some more of this mouthwash, which I didn't want to get only because, guys, he poured out. Sometimes he goes, I know all kids do this. He went in the bathroom, washed his hands. He's always messing, so I have to put stuff up. He poured it all out in the sink, y'all. Just wasting money. So for a long time, I told him he can't have any, and he put it in the buggy today. Work hard, dream big. I thought this was really cute to put in my mom cave for $1. Just like a little decor piece. My mom always, when I pick up stuff like this, she's like, what you gonna do with that? And I'm like, well, you can put it, make some little vignette, or, you know, decorate it, put it on the shelf or something with it. I needed another one of these. I probably should have got at least 3 of them. I've been doing a lot of cleaning and dusting. There's a lot of places to dust. And then in this piece, I was just breathing because it was just a lot. Okay. Dermaseal. I've seen this before, guys, and it smells pretty good. So mama met me in Dollar Tree today, and I picked that up. Some Pantene Gold Series, the Deep Hydrating Co-Wash. I didn't know exactly how Co-Wash works, but the cashier, she educated me on these. So, and that's a shame, you know, after going to cosmetology school, it's like stuff is always changing and evolving, and they're coming out with new things, and you're like, okay, now what's this, what's this, what's this? And I just feel a little intimidated, and I don't know why. All I have to do is just look it up, ask questions, and educate myself on it. Okay, guys, I picked up a bunch of these little sunglass cases because Do It on a Dime also had in her video where she used these for like her charger cords, whatever else, to organize her stuff in her bag. So I like her carry-on bag and stuff. I have plenty of bags. I even did a video on my other channel of what type of bags that I'm thinking about taking to Go Wild, and then I'm gonna do a planning, a whole bunch of other different videos like packing and stuff. So it's going to be on my other channel, the vlog and everything, guys. So as that comes up, go check out that channel, Planning My Life Full of Hope. And thank you guys who have already joined and subscribed. Okay, so I picked up these colors. I thought they were really cute. I really wanted 3, but I said let me go on and get 4. And those all kind of coordinate together. And then I got Jason this one. I got him just the plain blue. If they had black, I wish they did, because he doesn't like a whole bunch of colors. And then I picked up another blue for him. So 2 blue and a green. They also had orange. They also had like a blue stripe one. And green, they also had like a, I want to say pink and orange, but mainly pink and stripe. And they had orange. I picked up some Cheez-Its for us. I only got 1 pack. And let's see, and I keep I keep skipping over these little bags. Also, she had another travel hack, do it on a dime did, where you can put your shoes in these little cheap little drawstring bags. This will be really good for Jason's shoes. He has big feet. He wears like a size 14. So her other hack was to use shower caps to cover up your bottoms of your shoes. I just see people packing video and they put their shoes in there with their clothes, and I'm like, at least get a Walmart bag and cover it up. So I got these for him. I just got him 2 because he probably will only take 2 pairs of shoes. Yeah, I did want her to take some snacks with us. I wish we can take like some more healthier snacks with us, but as soon as we come back from Vegas, we're gonna try it. We did something similar before the fad or everything, like keto like, but I want to at least try it, see what the hype is about. Already done wrote down my meal plans, grocery list, everything. So see how that works for us when we come back. And then we're just gonna have fun and indulge while we're in Vegas. So guys, thanks so much for watching. As always, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And check out my planning channel, guys, for those packing videos and so forth that I'm gonna put over there. Bye bye.